And Norman City Council heard from residents and mental health professionals tonight. Their goal is to see what crisis services are in place and to see if any other resources need to be added. News 9's Felice Romero sat in on the meeting and joins us live from Norman. Felice?
Amanda, last month, 2 inmates died while in custody at the Cleveland County Detention Center. Residents are now calling on the city council to do more to help those in crisis.
Is there another set of criteria?
It was standing room only at the Norman Municipal Complex Tuesday night. Norman City Council asking the questions this time.
Curious how an alternative option to turnkey, maybe through Norman Regional, might address some of those health issues.
We have a council that wants to help aid.
Wanting to know what mental health services are in place following 2 deaths in the Cleveland County Detention Center.
Really wanted to explain our comprehensive crisis system, including our launch of 988 and mobile crisis teams.
I'm heartened that the council is taking this seriously enough to revive this conversation. As we heard in tonight's study session, 988 implementation is still a work in progress.
Kate Bierman was Shannon Hanchett's friend. She and several community members are here to advocate on her behalf.
When it comes to people who are not voluntarily agreeing to treatment, we need to have that tough conversation about whose responsibility it is, because as we've seen, not only are the consequences fatal, but they affect the whole community.
As it stands, Norman has urgent recovery centers, crisis centers, and the 988 crisis hotline. Residents say there's one problem with these options.
It is our officers who end up on the line when someone isn't voluntarily agreeing to treatment, and it is our responsibility to engage.
Several other residents spoke tonight. They hope, after hearing their concerns, the Norman City Council comes up with solutions to address some of the shortcomings of these programs. Reporting live in Norman, Felice Romero, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.